In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for and join the Whop affiliate program, whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your income through referral marketing. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to get you on your way. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access the Whop website. Head over to whop.com on your web browser. Now, if you already have an account, go ahead and click on Login. But if this is your first time here, you'll need to click Sign Up to create a new account. The process is straightforward. You'll typically be asked for basic information like your email address and a password. Once you've filled out the necessary details, submit your information, and they may prompt you to verify your email. Just follow the instructions in the verification email they send to complete this step. Make sure your profile is set up completely to avoid any hiccups later on. Now that you've successfully logged into your account, it's time to join the Whop affiliate program. Start by clicking on your profile icon, which you'll find in the upper corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Affiliate Dashboard. This will lead you straight to the page where all your affiliate-related activities will take place. On this page, you'll see an option that says Join Affiliate Program. Go ahead and click on it. At this point, you'll be presented with a set of terms and conditions. It's crucial to go through these carefully to understand the partnership you'll be entering. This will cover important details about commissions, requirements, and guidelines you'll need to follow. Once you're comfortable with the terms, confirm your participation to officially become part of the affiliate program. A quick tip here. Make sure your account is fully verified. This is vital because only verified accounts are eligible to earn affiliate commissions, so you definitely don't want to miss out on these earnings due to an oversight. The last step in this process is to get your unique affiliate link, which is how you'll earn commissions when others sign up through your referral. Once you've confirmed your participation in the affiliate program, you should easily see the option to generate your affiliate link in the affiliate dashboard. This unique link will be your most valuable tool moving forward. You can share it on your blog, social media, or directly with anyone you think might benefit from Whop services. As people sign up using your link, you'll start to earn commissions. And there you have it, you're all set to begin your journey as a Whop affiliate. It's a fantastic way to earn extra income by promoting services you believe in. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Have a great day.